In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the look of your drop-down lists with this hack here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you have some drop-down lists included on your dataset, here are some ways where you can change the look of your drop-downs with just a few clicks. So in my C column, which is my department column, I do have some drop-down lists. If I click on this one, here are my choices. Now, if I wanted to, let's say, make it simpler, instead of it looking like a chip, I just want to have that arrow to the right side of that cell. So how do we change the look of our drop-down lists? Well, first, we can edit this by going to that drop-down and selecting the edit button right here. Click on that, and that will open your data validation rules on the right side. Another way to do it would be to go to data here in the menu bar, select data validation, and we have the same drop-down list, which is a rule under data validation rules. If I click on it, here we have it. So whether you use the data validation or just going to the edit button right here, it will open the same data validation rules on the right side. Now, if you want to learn how to turn your data into a drop-down using data validation, I do have a separate video about this that you might want to check out. I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click. So going back to this example, to change the look of my drop-down right here, because at the moment, the chip display is applied to it. If I wanted to change that into just the arrow, what I'm going to do is to go to the bottom of the options right here. So we have applied a range, criteria, and at the very bottom, we have our advanced options. If we click on this and scroll all the way down, and we're going to be focusing on the display style, which is at the bottom. So again, as I mentioned, the current display style of our drop-down list is on chip. If we wanted to change it, if I click on arrow right here, so this is the chip and this is the arrow. So if I click on it and go to the arrow, those options will appear. For this one, if we click on it, right away the options would appear. So that's definitely up to you whether you choose to have it in chip style, arrow, or even plain text. If it's in plain text, it doesn't really look like a drop-down, but if we double click on it, the options will appear, and we can just change it like that. So if you want to change that into the arrow, just select it right here, and don't forget to click on Done. Once you click on Done, it will ask you to apply it to all because there are other 19 drop-downs with the same properties. And if you want to make the changes to all of them, then you can apply to all. And there you have it. We've changed the look of our drop-down from looking like a chip to just having the arrow on the right side of that cell. Now I do have another column right here, which is our project status, which I want to change into a drop-down. So I'm just going to select that, right-click, and select drop-down. So I want to have it in the same look as my department column right here. I'm just going to go down to the advanced options and select the display style as arrow right here. Click on it and Done, and here we have it. So that's how you can change the look of your drop-down lists with this very simple hack right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.